continue that rather mild theme right on through the coming week by day as well. We're already starting on a fairly warm note. OK, the temperatures over on the eastern coast look fairly poor compared to the 19s or 20s inland, but even they are just above the seasonal average. And over the next few days, just see how those colours really deepen as the temperatures begin to rise across many inland areas of the British Isles, such that by Wednesday and Thursday we could well see these sort of values quite widely spread, 23, possibly even 24 degrees. So that's one of the themes of the coming week, and so too a lot of dry and fine weather. This is the situation at the moment, more on that in just a second. Fronts rather close by to the north and west of the British Isles, but as that low pressure moves away, it's rather bullied aside by an area of high pressure coming out of Scandinavia, another one coming up from the southwest. So whenever you see the high pressures on the chart, you have to start thinking about a lot of fine and dry weather across many parts. Now, I know at the end of the coming week we've got the Easter weekend, and my feel at this stage is that Friday and Saturday look to be fine and dry across many parts of the British Isles, but do make the most of them. Sunday and Monday probably a little bit more unsettled. Speaking of which, we have started the week on a fairly unsettled note with those fronts close by to the northern and western sides of the British Isles. The rain taking a time to get away from the north of Scotland, more bits and pieces drifting towards Northern Ireland through the afternoon, but elsewhere largely fine and dry, if rather cloudy. Now, overnight, we'll keep those bits and pieces across the north and west of the British Isles, more emerging from France to affect the southwest of England and Wales for a time overnight, and then gradually moving off towards the west. And that will leave behind, as I say, a frost-free night across many areas. Tuesday starts off fine and dry in many spots, just the odd remnant of rain across some of these western fringes. Come the afternoon, we might just see the odd shower in central Scotland, the west of Wales, but a lot of warm sunshine coming through. You'll notice there the temperature's already climbing to around about 22, although just notice again these coastal fringes always just feeling that wee bit cooler with the onshore breeze. Wednesday, a lot of dry weather again. Temperatures by this stage could well be at 23 or 24 degrees. Not a great deal of change on Thursday either. You'll just notice again it's the far west of Ireland, the western side of Scotland that sees the thickest of the cloud, perhaps the odd spot of rain, but at least for many parts of eastern Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, England and Wales, it looks as though it's going to be fine and dry pretty much, Anna, all the way.